So we're here at Le Web 2011 at the Renault booth. So what are you talking about?
Today we're talking about what we claim that Renault loves startups. We're here at the Web to welcome all entrepreneurs, web developers, to look at how we can make a partnership with Renault. We have several platforms like R-Link that we present today, the Travel Box, which is also a mobile application to include new services. And basically we try to make partnership and follow startups to make them grow around connected services for mobility.
So mostly is for cars that have internet access in the car,
yeah,
and a screen?
They are connected. Internet access is, I think, next step to get really full internet, but the car are connected, and this is a platform where you can develop a lot of services on board, off board. At the car connected, you get more data from the cars. Of course, where you are, what is your speed, what is even the steering wheel angle. You get a lot of data that many can be used inside the car, outside the car for a lot of services. So we try to liaise with startups about how we can make this ecosystem of services around our platforms.
So you register all these parameters in the car?
Yeah.
Yet or not yet?
Yeah, we register it, and we can make it available for our services. So this is really something from next year when the R-Link system will be in the car. You will get really connected car with open car data. A lot of data that can be used for developers.
So people can get a rating if they drive nicely, if they drive badly, if they should improve their driving?
Yeah, of course they can have a rating about their eco-driving. They can share it with friends, they can even make games around their driving. So there is a lot of things that basically the community that is today at the Web can use to build new services on this one, and we try to help them through different kind of partnership.
Do you work on car sharing or backseat?
Yeah, car sharing, carpooling can be services for cars, basically to reduce the whole emission of the car. So new services of carpooling, car sharing, every kind of services around the mobility, the way that you can have seamless mobility through cars, then train or metro or something. All these kind of services we think that we can support it on our platform, and more than just putting the app on inside the car, try to support our partnership with startups to help them grow with us.
Especially the electric cars need all this technology, to manage the range, manage all that stuff, manage what do you want to manage with an electric car?
Electric car is, I think, ahead, of course, because it's kind of obvious when you drive an electric car that you have the latest technology, connected car, so you can plan your charging before your trip. You can manage your charging depending on the electricity cost and so on. There's a lot of services that we can bring dedicated to electric car, but all the car will be connected in the future. So there will be services that will go for electric car or conventional cars.
All right. So do you basically have a way that you reach out to these developers? Do you fund some projects, or what do you do?
We have basically, depending on the maturity of the startups. If they already have products, we can work with them. We have different business model with the startups to include their product inside our different platforms, especially R-Link. And yesterday we announced a partnership with an incubator in Paris. So here we are more talking about how we can follow startups which are now in development for their products, and we try to help them with mentorship, with technical support from us and from our partner, which is Paris Incubator. And we launch a call for application for startups who are interested to come in the incubator and be followed by us. And we think that that's a way we will create kind of ecosystem around connected services.
So you use the web and connected car as a differentiator for Renault. It's a big part of the future strategy.
Yeah, it's a big part of Renault strategy to make a connected car and also to bring this kind of innovation to the large people. Today, in the history of Renault, we always make innovation for all. So what we do with electric car is bring affordable electric car. Every kind of navigation system that we brought to the market, like the TomTom navigation system we have today in our car, are very affordable, and we try to make the same for the next model like Harley. So we really always try to be ahead in terms of technology, but at the right cost for the people.